How to add hashtags to YouTube videos. The process is very simple, but you need to download YouTube Studios for this. So head over to your Play Store and from here, download YouTube Studio. After this, tap on open and it's going to open something like this after you have signed into your account. Now from here, you want to tap on content, which is right at the bottom, the second option. Now here you're going to find all the videos that you have posted on your YouTube channel. So now from here, you simply want to select a video. So let's say the first one and tap on the three dots like this and now tap on edit video option. Once you do that, it's going to open up something like this. Now you can find the add description option. If you already have added description, the description will be shown here. Now simply tap on this option and over here you want to add hashtag. So find the hashtag on your keyboard and here you can create hashtag in this way. So once you have done that, simply go back and now tap on the save button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. And now this video is going to have the hashtag. So this is how you can add hashtags to YouTube videos. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.